Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc. If your water heater is making a strange sound, if you're getting less hot water than usual, or if you have no hot water at all, you've come to the right place. We work on Bradford White, A.O. Smith, State, American, Rude, Rheem, Kenmore, Whirlpool, Navian, and Rinnai. Tank or tankless, electric or gas, we work on all of them. For all your hot water repair needs, give us a call. With over 35 plus years experience and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and voted Best Plumbers 3 years in a row, we can handle all your hot water heater repair needs.
Call 865-583-3957 or you can book online at pipewrench.com.